Hello, my name is Jordi, and I'm one of the founders of Decentral Guild. Today, I'm going to help you create your own D Guild on our modular build your own platform. So once you head on over to our dguild.org and go into the create section, you have to log in with a Solana wallet. And once you do that, the form will become available. Here you can type in your details from your organization. And once you have done that, you hit create and pay, and you will get a transaction uh, for you to sign. And once you approve this, it will take the time to create a DGuild and then send you over to your organization. So once you're in your organization, you will have to log in again with the same wallet as you did to create and to open up your admin module. Here you can manage your organization, you add a welcomes message, your socials, or a custom domain. You can also manage the theming of your platform. So you can find your own color theming. And once you do, you can hit on save and it will implement it for everyone that visits your organization. You have an address book. Here you can add mints that you want to use throughout your platform and easily call them through the address book widget. You have a tab where you can activate each module individually. You can have you can also redeem vouchers that you might have won during one of our raffles. And of course, you have a billing tab where you can see any billing that has been done or extend any modules that is ongoing. So once you've designed your platform, you can head on over to your modules tab and start activating the modules. Today I will start with the crafter module. You can activate it and it will add an extra tab on the site only for the admin. Here you can go and create a new token. This is just a token that you can mint on demand. There is no restriction. You can decide how many decimals it has at the first tab, and then you create the token. This will again give you a transaction for you to sign. And once you have signed this, you will see the token in the staging phase. Once your token is created, you see it in your overview and you can add metadata. You can name your token, add a symbol, a description if you want, and I know. You can add royalties if you want and decide if you want to host the JSON on our API or you want to do self-hosting or host it on Arweave if you want. For now, I publish it on our API and hit create. So a token has been created and now is live, and now we can mint whenever we need or want more of it. You just fill in the amount and approve the transaction, and it will create new tokens whenever you need them. You can also burn them or edit your metadata in the same portal. That we have our own token, we are ready for our next module. Let's head on over to our admin and activate the watchtower. This module will help you track your holders. We have two tracks that you can activate. You can activate a short refresh rate for current holders, or you can have a daily snapshot, whichever you like or whichever you need. The price widget will update, and as soon as you deploy these snapshots and current holders will start fetching. It takes about 15 minutes on average for a refresh round, but it's depending on the amount of holders. Now that the tracks are activated, you can go over to the watchtower and you can click your mints. You can see the current holders or the snapshots. You can download it as an SUV and use them in an external platform as well. So something else what you can do in your watchtower is set up conditions. These you can use to assign to Discord or use in your shipments. So if you, for example, have the current holders activated, you can see who's holding, for example, at least 100 of these tokens and use that in a condition. Or you can add a condition where you give an alternative for snapshots, for example. Anyone that is holding one of this for at least 5 days is eligible. And this is how you set up a condition. Have a condition. Let's open up a next module. Let's activate Discord. Here you can assign Discord roles based on your token holdings. So you invite the Discord bot to your server, and once you do that, you fill in your server ID, enable your developers mode, and then fetch it. Once your bot is in the server, make sure the Discord bot is above the roles that it needs to assign, and from there you can start working. So once it syncs, it will allow you to use your conditions and assign a role based on this condition. Now that you have your condition, once your members verify their wallet onto their Discord role, these roles will automatically sync with their wallets. Um, once that you do, uh, they will also see the roles and be able to see which ones they have available for this D-Guild. These are universal, so they auto-complete when you join a second D-Guild that has the same role. Something else you can do with the conditions is create shipments. So let's activate the shipment module. So once you have activated it, you can head on over to plan shipment. Here you can generate a JSON based on your condition. So you can select a condition, add the amount of tokens that you want to drop per 10 or per wallet, and select the token that you want to drop. And then hit generate. It will generate the JSON based on the token holdings and the condition values that you put in. You can copy it, you can download it, and edit it to your liking. Once you're happy with your shipment, you create a shipment wallet or import a private key. I already have one set up, so I'm just importing one. And then you can register your tokens. It's needed once per token. The next time you use it, you don't have to pay this cost again. And then once it's done, you can create your shipment and it will send. Keep your page open while your shipment is running. It will do a couple of transactions, and that's why we're using this separate in-browser wallet. This wallet is never synced with our server, but so if you remove the wallet, we cannot give you back your seed phrase or private key. So be careful with the tokens that you put there. So you see now the shipment is complete. Shipment page where it will have this token ready to be claimed. We have distributed our tokens. Let's add some more functionality. Let's head on over to our modules tab and let's enable the marketplace. Here you can enable the marketplace and go into settings. Here you can decide which mint you're going to add to your marketplace and which can be used and traded amongst your members. You can quickly use your address book to add the mints that you want. And then as soon as you are happy, you press deploy. And for the first 10 mints, it's free. And then afterwards, there are costs for keeping upkeep. Once it's done, you can head on over to the marketplace. Here you can now see all the tokens that you set up and create an actual trade. So to create a trade, you can select what you want to receive from your tokens that you added. I want one for 100 free play tokens, and then I can create the escrow and set up a trade for this to happen. completes, it opens up a window where you can easily pick up the link or scan the QR to share the trade and go. Once you enable the member list, list is a list of wallets that you can manage through transactions. So let's create our D Guild leaders list. I can add an image. Now that our list is created, let's enable primary list for this one. And you can select which data you want to collect from your members. Save this, and then as soon as you do, the next time. So now that my primary member list is set up, I can go into my profile. I can add the values that they are asking for, and I can store it. Your nickname will resolve within the marketplace and the raffles and things like that. Also in your watch list, holder list, these things will solve. And now that we have these member lists, we can go into gates and assign these lists to certain modules or on the top level, which makes the entire environment hidden behind this whitelist. So only members on this whitelist will be able to see and use the application. Next module that we're going to activate is the raffles. Let's head on over to the admin tab of the raffles. Here you will see your base slots. At base you get one slot and you can host one raffle. If you need more, you can extend. So let's create a raffle. Select the mint from the ticket price. So you're able to create your own conversion. So let's say for 100 free play tokens, and we have a max of 10 tickets. So a total of 1,000 free play tokens will be collected for this raffle. So now that we created our raffle, we can add the rewards. It will fetch your balance from the wallet that you logged in. You select the reward, just one. You can add an image to the raffle if you want, and then you sign the transaction. Now that we have added the reward, we can start the raffle. We press the button, and now it becomes available for everyone to play. So now that the raffle is created, you can go into the tab, click the raffle, and buy tickets. I will buy all 10 just to close it for now. So I can also give it a second, use the refresh button. Um, you can hide or have the addresses revealed straight away, or play a battle to reveal the winner. It will give every ticket holder character, and they will have to fight it out till the winner. The actual winner is inside the contract, of course. This is just a presentation. Once you know who the winner is, you can distribute the rewards. The admin signs the transaction, and then the reward will be dropped atomically to the winner wallet. And from there, the admin can then claim the proceeds from the tickets, and then afterwards close the raffle. And that's basically it.